It's early, it's dark. Julie's handed in a sick note because she's got a sore throat. So I thought I'd go for a ride, but there's positives and negatives in that, of course. It means my dull voice is the only one you'll hear, but no yeehaws. Oh crap, I've just done one. Never done this before, but I think it's early enough in the morning. And it is only a 50. There's 2 lanes. Let's get it done. Where are you going? Stay in your lane. Did I take a chance there? I sort of did, but I looked in the window and I could see the instructor's hand hovering over the steering wheel. So I was confident. These are the little clues you've got to look for and hope you're right. On the approach to a roundabout, you've got those zones where green you can stop, amber touch and go, stop before the line, red. If something comes out now, you could be in trouble. I mean, I could be completely wrong because I've never been caught out, and maybe my stopping power is greater than I give it credit for, even with my weight on it. You'll notice that I ride very differently on my own to when I'm with Julie. My most disliked road on this route next, which is through Sanford. Hopefully at this time of day, not a problem. The whole of this ride on the way out though will be into the wind. Right, 2 cars on the near side lane, so they'll be coming around behind me any moment. Hopefully I can get round this bend. Yeah, we're good. Just coming up now, they can see now. Yeah, all yours, go for it. And the next one. Job done. Oh, we didn't die through Sanford, and here we are in Wareham. Right, what we got? Not many miles, that has to be said. 14.7 miles, an average of 19.5 miles an hour. That's going to slow down a lot. So going to be fully turning into the wind now. You see, that's why the average is high. Not because I'm fast, but because I haven't had to stop at all. There we go. Yeah, it's like riding through soup now. Just about managing 18. Looks like we're definitely stopping now. Train coming through on the level crossing at Wool. Been going for an hour and 5 minutes. That last bit was hard. It's going pretty quick as you're going straight through. There you go. 2 for the price of 1. Just gone through Morton. 5 miles from Dorchester, I reckon. And then coffee. Sunshine! At last. It was getting a bit chilly, so the average speed has come down 19.1, but the average watts has gone up 297. You're ruining the average speed, come on. There you go. Oh, I thought you'd go through the gate. Okay. Let's back right off. I mean, to be honest, my averages weren't going to be very good from here anyway, because I'll be, there he goes, right, heading into Dorchester now, roundabouts, junctions, all sorts going on. Down through West Stafford, lovely little village. We can actually take the bypass, but then you wouldn't get to see this. Okay, rolling into Dorchester. Got lucky with the traffic. Only had to slow down for the shared path. Oh, the traffic like God's on our side. Don't see why not. Yes. Right, final downhill. Cool. Coffee number one, of course. Sun's just popping up over the buildings there. Perfect. Well, Julie's usually the one for stats, but I thought I might do a few today. So that's 32.6 miles so far. That's an average of 18.9, so it did dip below 19. 295 watts in the end, average. And I've burnt 1,836 calories so far. Here's the Scultura Endurance 4000. Got this from Merida Sports. Of course, I've put my Prime wheels on and the 32 Roubaix Pro tyres. Yeah, for these roads around here, 32s are perfect. Now, I happen to have some Ultegra. I know that sounds a bit strange, but I had some Ultegra and I didn't know what to put it on, because the Tri-Ban had Sensor Empire 12 speed. You know, the gravel bike's got GRX on, so I was saving it up, and this just seemed like the perfect bike in the end. It took me a while because I had to do all the internal routing and stuff. Yeah, now it's on there. Quite happy with it. I've got my aero bars there, which I'm happy with. I've had, you know, several pairs of those on different bikes, and they've always been good. I've upgraded the discs, Shimano, with the Ice Tech or whatever it's called. Overall, it's been a very, very good bike. Heading back out of town. Nice and easy does it. Build up slowly. It's flipping chilly this morning. Supposed to get up to about 16 or so degrees later today, Celsius of course, but I don't think that's going to happen till at least midday. This is one of my favourite parts of this route. A tree tunnel with a chicane. It on a flat route, you're not going to worry about views and hills, so you look for the other things. This road has been recently chip sealed and it still hasn't worn down, so it's really draggy. Will we get our third, maybe fourth train of the day? No, I think we've missed it. The red light there tells us that one has just gone through. I wish I'd put the radar light on this morning. The MagicShine CME 500. Yeah, for these quiet back roads, advance warning. Yeah, it might be nice. I mean, I have heard everything, but you know, belt and braces. If I've got to go out around a pothole or something, yeah, you just never know, do you? Keep hitting the lights, people crossing. See, this is what happens. Now I'm coming back into town, it's a bit later. Never mind, mustn't complain. Right, what we got? You're coming into town, aren't you? So are you. Let's go. Nothing coming from the left. I'm going to be past them before they get here. All good. All goes quiet again after this. Yeah, all good. Stay wide. Yeah, plenty of room. Yeah, all peaceful again. Well, except for the motorbike. Traffic lights. Average power is down to 279. Average speed is up 19.7. More red lights. That one's turning left. Don't change, don't change. Change now. Oh well, this is the fourth set in a row now. It's not funny anymore. Probably find the bridge is open now. Oh. It is, or has been, because it's queued. Even though this isn't the perfect end that I wanted, you know, race to the finish and all that. I think it's a good indication of where I am from fitness. It's a pretty solid 60 miles, or 100k if you're continental persuasion. Everything's crashing now because I'm on the bike paths and not even doing 15, but yeah, I'm quite happy with that. That was a good ride. There you go, weekend football. A lot of girls teams now, girls and boys. Get some speed going again now I'm back on the road. 62 miles, there it is. Let's get down onto the beach first, shall we? Look at that. What a morning. And an ice cream kiosk, who could ask for more? So I always knew I wanted to start from home and then finish at the beach. What I didn't realise was I was going to hit every single set of lights going through Hamworthy. I mean, I knew I was going to have to slow down through there and along Beta, but I didn't know I was going to hit all the lights. So yeah, okay, so nearly 19 miles an hour average is good, but it's not great, let's be honest. And it just backs up the thing about keep pedaling, you know. It's something that I can do. I just keep going, and that of course helps the average. But for me, at 19 stone, 266 pounds or 120 kilograms if you're that way inclined, I'm really pleased with that. So if you've watched this far into the video, please hit the like button and come and watch us again on the next one. It's not going to happen. There's not going to be any yeet